Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abyssal. 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 Abyssal is an adjective used to describe something related to or resembling an abyss, especially in terms of extreme depth or darkness. It is often used in scientific and geological contexts to describe the deepest regions of the ocean. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The abyssal plain of the ocean is one of the least explored and mysterious parts of our planet. Why abyssal is used in example number 1. Abyssal is used to describe the extreme depth and mystery of the ocean's abyssal plain. Example number 2. The research team used specialized equipment to study the abyssal trenches and hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. Why abyssal is used in example number 2. This example uses abyssal to describe the deep trenches and vents on the ocean floor, highlighting the scientific exploration of these extreme environments. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.